Welcome to my Healthy Living channel. If you like the video, please subscribe and push the thumb up for more distribution. Today we want to talk about a very famous ingredient for your kitchen. This ingredient is to many people known as ginger. The nutrition facts of ginger. Ginger is not only used for delicious flavor of food, but also during thousands of years for healing. In many ancient writings from Rome, Greece, China and the Arabic world describes that ginger is used as a medicine. This root was very popular in Asian medicine for treatments of stomach issues, nausea and ease diarrhea and joint pain, cold and flu symptoms. Ginger, also known as ginger root, is the underground rhizome of the ginger plant, prized in Asia for thousands of years for its medicinal and culinary properties. There are many types of ginger, but the most common and sought-after variety has light brown skin and creamy yellow or light green flesh. Ginger has peppery and slightly sweet taste, with a pungent and spicy aroma. It is a versatile addition to soups, sauces, marinades, and a number of other dishes, from baked apples to stir-fried vegetables. To get the most out of its complex flavorful nuances, add ginger at both the beginning and end of cooking your meal and peel it as little as possible. In addition to meals, ginger also makes for a pleasant and soothing cup of tea. What are the benefits of ginger tea? Did you know when drinking ginger tea you will lower your blood pressure and you can prevent heart attacks? But there are more benefits that you will have. For example, it prevents blood clots and can relieve heartburn. When drinking regularly ginger tea, you also might lower cholesterol and improve your blood circulation. These are a few health benefits when drinking regularly ginger tea. How to prepare ginger tea? Take your ginger roots and clean it perfectly with a brush. If you like, you can peel the ginger with a vegetable peeler, a knife or a spoon when it is a young ginger, because they have a very thin skin. Afterward, boil water depending on how much tea do you want to make. Cut the ginger in fine slices and put it in the hot water. I normally put the ginger into the water and leave it absorb until the water is boiling. I leave it about 10 to 15 minutes boiling, depending how strong you want your tea, and that's it. I like to drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea during the day. The only disadvantage is that you have to get very often to the bathroom, but the tea is really good for your health. You can drink ginger tea as a complementary remedy for nausea, digestive issues, and symptoms of common cold. Some scientists say that it may help regulate blood glucose. As you can see, ginger tea is very potent for lots of problems with your body. Therefore, it is healthy to drink constantly ginger tea. How came this root to Europe and other countries? Roman traders carried ginger from Arab traders to northern Europe, where it became one of the most popular spices during the Middle Ages. Henry VIII even suggested it as a remedy for the plague. Nowadays, China, India and Indonesia are some of the top commercial producers of ginger. Ginger is available fresh, dried, pickled, candied, ground, and powdered. When purchasing fresh ginger, check that the root is firm, smooth, and mold-free. Store ginger in the fridge with its peel still on for longer shelf life. If you accidentally cut more ginger than you need, put the extra pieces in a paper bag before storing them in the fridge. They should keep for about 1 week. Healthy benefits of ginger. Ginger is a good source of vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, copper, and manganese. It is also listed as an herbal medicine with carminative effects, as it may help promote the release of intestinal gas. It has spasmolytic properties as well, making it potentially useful for helping relax and soothe the intestinal tract. This herb may be used to help settle an upset stomach, relieve vomiting, inhibit nausea, and ease diarrhea. It's also considered a safe natural remedy against morning sickness, motion sickness, and chemotherapy-induced nausea and vomiting. The main bioactive compound of ginger is gingerol, which is responsible for many of its medicinal properties, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and anti-nauseous. Studies also found ginger to be protective against several cancers, including ovarian, colorectal, lung, and breast cancers. Research supports the effectiveness of ginger as a pain reliever. A study published in the Journal of Pain found that daily consumption of raw and heat-treated ginger may help reduce muscle pain caused by exercise-induced muscle injury. Some studies even show that ginger may be helpful for overweight and obese people, but I guess there are still more studies needed on humans and not only on rats and mice. But according to these studies, ginger may help to improve weight-related measurements, especially waist-hip ratio. Some other studies found that ginger may help relieve the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Studies on ginger. Other studies published in the Journal of Biomedicine and Biotechnology found that the ginger plant may help fight against breast carcinomas by promoting apoptotic cancer cell death. A compound extracted from the ginger root was also shown to be toxic to colorectal cancer cells in other research, making it potentially useful in reducing the risk for colorectal cancer. Some studies also found that ginger has a chemoprotective effect against lung cancer. Some studies also found that ginger has a chemoprotective effect against lung cancer, as its polyphenolic extract may help to neutralize and avoid the proliferation of a lung cancer cell line. Ginger is a tropical flower plant and grew in Southeast Asia, but over the time it grew around the world. The plant grows about 3 feet tall and produces clusters of greenish purple flowers. That's all for today. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like, and thank you for watching, and see you next time in our next video. Thank you and bye bye.